biblical foods that support health naturally. Simple meals can improve how you feel. I grew up hearing about ancient foods, but I never took them seriously until fatigue and poor digestion slowed me down. That's when I look back at simple traditions, not for miracles, but for balance. Many biblical-era foods are whole and unprocessed. They align with what modern science supports. Whole foods reduce inflammation and support cells. According to the World Health Organization, balanced diets help prevent chronic conditions. Research from the National Institutes of Health shows whole foods improve metabolic health. Here are 10 simple foods inspired by that era. First, olive oil. Rich in healthy fats and polyphenols. Supports heart and cellular function. 1 tablespoon daily is enough. Second, figs. A natural source of fiber and minerals. They support digestion and gut balance. Eat 2 to 3 fresh or dried. Third, lentils. High in plant protein and fiber. They help stabilize blood sugar. A small bowl fits well in meals. Fourth, dates. Provide quick energy and potassium. Great in moderation. 1 to 3 pieces. Fifth, barley. A whole grain rich in beta-glucan. Supports cholesterol balance. Use as a base instead of refined grains. Sixth, fish. A source of omega-3 fats. Supports brain and heart health. 2 servings weekly is ideal. Seventh, grapes. Contain antioxidants like resveratrol. They help protect cells from stress. Eighth, cucumbers. High in water and low in calories. Support hydration and light digestion. Ninth, garlic. Contains compounds that support immunity. Also helps manage blood pressure. 10th, honey. A natural sweetener with trace antioxidants. Use sparingly instead of refined sugar. Effects vary depending on health and intake. I started small, adding 1 or 2 foods each week. No drastic changes. Energy improved gradually. Digestion felt lighter. Nothing extreme, just steady progress. A review in Nutrients Journal highlights whole diets over single foods. Patterns matter more than quick fixes. Some foods may not suit everyone. Moderation is key for balance. Consult a doctor before major changes. Avoid overconsumption even of natural foods. I tracked how I felt daily. Simple notes helped me stay consistent. Health is built, not rushed. Start with 1 meal today. Like and share if this helped. Small habits create lasting strength.